California is blessed with so many amazing waterfalls. In my quest to visit each of these waterfalls, I stumbled upon this scenic little waterfall which is more intimate than grand. Welcome to Hedge Creek Falls in Dunsmuir, California. As the interstate highway I-5 leaves Dunsmuir and begins its climb up toward Mt Shasta, drivers may notice signs proclaiming the park at Hedge Creek Falls. It is situated roughly 6.7 miles south of Mt Shasta and 293 miles north of San Francisco. I drove from Mt Shasta towards Hedge Creek Falls. This part of Interstate I-5 is really beautiful to drive. Although many travelers may be curious about the waterfall, they often do not stop and continue on toward the giant volcano further up the highway. This leaves Hedge Creek Falls and its accompanying trail to locals for the most part. The parking lot is across the street from the trailhead. The parking is free, but you have to be extremely careful while crossing the street. On a busy day, there could be heavy traffic. The path to Hedge Creek Falls begins at a small picnic area that is situated just across the street from the parking area. There is a table, gazebo, water fountain and some displays about the area. The whole area is perched right on the edge of the canyon above Hedge Creek. From the picnic area, there is a spot to get a glimpse of Mt Shasta. Although it is at a distance, you can only see the tip through the trees. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now I am hiking down from the parking lot towards the beautiful Hedge Creek waterfall right off Interstate I-5 near the town of Dunsmuir, which is very close to Mt Shasta in California. The trail departs the picnic area and descends at a moderate grade. One drawback of the trail is the presence of poison oak. So be careful. It's a easy hike down, not too complicated. Not paved hiking path, but it's safe and I think anybody can do it. At least so far. If there is any complication further down, I'll let you know. So when you walk down that path, you see a U-turn here and that's when you start to hear the waterfall. And there it is. It's a small one, but actually you can walk around it. I'll be going down and show you guys the waterfall from very close. The waterfall is about 30 to 35 foot plunge that pours out of large notch cut through a hanging wall of column-like basalt. As the trail proceeds, it traverses the increasingly steep slope of Hedge Creek's canyon. The grade levels off as soon as the trail arrives at the waterfall. Okay guys, I'm right at the waterfall. Let me show you. The most notable element of the waterfall is the cliff through which it falls. The wall is actually about 10 feet above the ground because there is a cleft cut deeply into the wall's base, creating a cave of sorts. The trail continues around the waterfall through this cave. The waterfall cliff wall is a popular destination for rock climbers. Due to its size, the waterfall feels more intimate because you get a chance to get close to it on the trail and fairly unusual opportunity to travel behind the falling water. Once on the far side of the falls, the trail continues down the canyon. Unlike the first part of the hike, the trail now parallels closely alongside Hedge Creek. After covering the short distance from the falls, the trail finally arrives at an observation deck hung over the Sacramento River. In this part of the trail, there are numerous small waterfalls and some interesting water slides formed from the creek flowing over large smooth rocks. From the observation deck, you can notice an unofficial but well-established use trail that drops down to the confluence of Hedge Creek and the Sacramento River. Here there is a good swimming hole followed by a shallow area with some easy rapids.
If you walk around the waterfall and then walk down little, you come to this viewpoint where you can see a river flowing. I believe this is Sacramento River. If it's wrong, I will correct in the video, but this view is nice. So I recommend walking around the waterfall and then come to this viewpoint at least to see the river.
From the observation deck, along with a good view down to the Sacramento River, there is a good view looking north toward Mt Shasta. Unfortunately, when I was there, the mountain was obscured by the trees. This vista is particularly attractive because it gives a sense of just how deep and dark the forests in this area are. There is an air of density that borders on oppressive but retains a great beauty.
That's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this short video on my hike towards Hedge Creek Falls, which is very close to Interstate I-5 in Northern California. So if you are driving down this way, please don't forget to check out this place. It's beautiful. You will only need around 1 hour to explore this place. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Live to travel. As always, take care, be safe, bye, see you in the next one.
Then I got back to the parking lot and started my drive back to Mt Shasta. Being in this part of California, I got a sense of what Joaquin Miller meant when he said, "As long as God and white as a winter moon, Mt Shasta starts up suddenly from the heart of great black forests of California." As I continued driving along I-5 north towards the town of Weed, well past Mt Shasta, I came across this giant black mountain right next to the highway. It is called Black Butte and nicknamed as the ugly cousin of Mt Shasta. Well, more on this some other time. To get instant notification when I upload new videos, please press that bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.